Hello everyone and welcome back to Coffee Time. My name is Arvin and here is Coffee Time. And let's go for today. We want to make a security for Swagger. Let me make it clear what I mean by security. Let's go to first of all let me log out here. Okay, I'm now logged out here, and here I have a reservation controller which is annotated with authorized, which is mean if you have account, if you are logged in, you can access these controllers. Okay, for that thing let me go. I am logged out here, no user logged in. I go to the Swagger and I go to reservation controller and I say okay, simple get one, show me all rooms. It says 401 undocumented. Let's imagine how we get access to these controllers. If I need maybe just make a call here, no need to make registration as well. We need it because this you need username and password which is in our database. Okay, and for that let me go here. I have made, let me explain it. This is just a short video for maybe 10 or 15 minutes. I have here a login controller which use configuration, app setting. I need to take some variables from there, and sign in manager and application user in this case, and in other cases identity users. And here just I have a controller. It uses login DTO, which is so simple, email and password to make a login call. And here is going to check database. If is not succeed, is return bad request, which is this DTO. And if that is okay, it's going to generate some key, JSON web token, a very long string which is generated here, a key, a card which is uses a security algorithm SHA-256, and expiration. Let's go to configuration, which is application JSON. Here we have here just a security key, issuer, audience, which is in this case localhost, and if that is okay, it's return a login result again with a JSON security token. Okay, let's go back here because this is all configuration. This is not a coding, this is just standard syntaxes, just you have to configure it. I go to program file. As you know, we have here add Swagger gen. Okay, first of all let me let's rerun it again because I have already account here, as you know. Let's rerun this page. Let's rerun this page and wait for let me go to my controller, which is now login controller here, and it say okay, give me user email, which is in this case this one, password I don't know, maybe this one, and now I say execute. When I execute it, response body is something like this, is success, and it generates a token for me. And if you look at this token structure, you have here a key, after that a dot, after that a big key, again a dot. This key has three body, let's say three codes, and this is just a token which you need to make a login call here. It is say okay, this token contains your email, password, that you are authorized, you are okay, and you can now log in. But how you use it? Okay, let's go back here because I have here a piece of code here. I'm going to copy this. This is also in my GitHub page. You can also use it if you like. Okay, it's just configuration. It's just not coding. It's just this authenticated when you make this when you get this token. Okay, when you get this token and you want to log in the page, let me rerun it again. Let me rerun the code again. And here you say add Swagger, here add security requirement, and voila, these are just standard things you have to know about it. I don't like to deal with this kind of stuff, more coding, and this is just configuration, which is, come on. Okay, let's see here. You see available authorization. Here you have some things here, which is here you pass values here, and just very simple. And now let's imagine let's go again to the login, tdbot@gmail.com, and I say here, for example, password. Let's again execute it. And I'm going to copy this token, and I say, okay, I have here a value which is this token. I say authorized. You say you are authorized. You are now authorized to get access to this page. Something like, let me go back to the room controller, and voila, I got a list of rooms. Let's log out this one again. Just use sign out. Okay, and now let me again call this one. I say you are not authorized. But in the same case, let me go to other controllers which is not annotated with authorized. For example, inspection. I think inspection is not annotated with authorized, and you get all data. And authorize, for example, let me go to the reservation. Authorize, you can authorize your method or whole controller. Okay, authorize your method or whole controller, and like this you get access. Because this is very important. Sometimes we have users, they don't like to log into your page, but they want to use maybe Postman, or just send the call and get data and use that data in somewhere in other places. Okay, let me come back here to program files, and this is very easy. Just token validation. When you put your token here, and when you want to access the page or access an authorized annotated controller or endpoint, this gonna be validate that one. This accept that token and gonna decode it to see where it's coming from. Is that valid? And that is just simple. You have to do it. Here we have just info about header, about type, and voila, this is how you make your endpoint secure. Have a nice day. See you in the next time.